Yesterday I have put up a video in which I was telling about the importance why you need to balance the immunity. Now I will have to tell you now why you need to balance the immunity. I have told you. Now I will have to tell you how to balance the immunity. Otherwise it is like telling you that I am going to give you a laddu and not giving you a laddu. That is why I am going to tell the simplest method by which you can balance your immune system. It can happen immediately. You can boost your immune system immediately, instant. But the effect need to be prolonged. You will have to practice this daily, almost always. You will have to make it a part of your life. This is by the method of psychoneuroimmunology. Now what is psycho? Psycho means your thoughts, your mind. Neuro, the nervous system, the brain, the spinal cord and all the nerves. And immunology is the immune system. Immune system involves the tone cell, the WBCs inside the cell, the WBCs inside the thymus, inside your bone marrow and everywhere. So it is connected. How? Your thoughts are connected to your brain and brain is connected to every part of your body. Everything has nerves. So through this mechanism of your thoughts, you can destroy your immune system as well as you can improve your immune system. Suppose you are a balanced person. If something happens in your life, you are balanced. If nothing happens in your life, you are balanced. If something bad happens, you are balanced. Something good happens, you are balanced. A balanced person has a balanced immune system. Simple. Now how to become balanced? Why people are not balanced? I'll tell you why. I'll ask you a simple question. Do you put rubbish or waste inside your house? Might be for a few hours or few days. That too inside a dustbin and then throw it away. You won't keep it for a long time. Do you put rubbish inside your pocket? Do you put rubbish inside your purse? Do you put rubbish inside your wallet? Do you put rubbish inside your car? Do you put rubbish inside anything important like your bag or anything? No. You keep everything clean. Inside the house is clean. Even the environment of the house is clean. But you put all the rubbish inside your mind. That is bad. If you put rubbish inside your mind through that negative thoughts, the immune system will be negatively stimulated to a state of imbalance, to a state of pro-inflammation, more reaction, more allergies, more everything which is bad. It can be the cause of cancer also, stress. Even stress in the mothers can lead to premature delivery of the babies. So that is the importance of stress. It is very, very bad. It will lower the immune system. The duration of stress you are allowed to take is only 24 hours. After 24 hours, it is going to permanently decrease the immune system like anything. It will change the bacteria of the stomach and everything. Now, what is the ratio of positive thoughts to negative thoughts? 3 positive thoughts to 1 negative thoughts. And what is the maximum ratio? 11 positive thoughts to 1 negative thoughts. What is called toxic positivity? Toxic positivity is a state of mind in which even negative things you will think is as positive. That is too much of positivity making you careless. Too much of positivity making you careless. That is like some people are telling Corona, you let the Corona come. I will tackle Corona. Nothing, you can't tackle Corona. You can't fight Corona. These are minute particles which your immune system need to fight. So that more of positivity, too much of positivity make the person careless. They doesn't wear mask. They become very careless and all. They take risk, unnecessarily. These are stupidity. This you should not do. And another thing, people go and tell, Bhagavan will save you, God will save you, Allah will save you. No. Allah is very busy doing his work other than saving you. We are not worthy enough to be saved by God. Let's face the reality. That is like, we haven't done much selfless service. So, this is logotherapy, a higher purpose in life. That is called, you will have to rise above yourself and your family to a third party level, which is not connected with you. That is God. Make God the center of your life. That is Allah consciousness or Christ consciousness or Krishna consciousness, what you call God consciousness. You work for Him, you hear about Him, you think about Him, read scriptures about Him. You serve others because the God is situated in the heart of others also. That third party purpose of life can boost up your immunity. Such selfless service will get you to a state of high immunity instantly. This positivity can be got from internet. There are good videos you can see about positivity. Anything which is concerned with God and selfless serving of others gives you the maximum positivity and maximum immunity. Without God, this breathing exercise and other things will not boost that much of your immunity, because that will just temporarily give you relief only. Your mind thoughts are not going to change. So replace your thoughts with God conscious thoughts. That will help you. So please share my videos, because these are wonderful ideas. These are simple ideas. These are instant ideas which will boost up the immunity. There is nothing which is very complicated. These are simple, but it is difficult because you are not trained your mind. You are fighting one of the most notorious destructive personality which is inside you, that is your own mind. That mind which tells you why did you do it, that mind which puts you into negative state, that mind which magnifies small problems and makes you magnetized to a problem so much so that you forget the reality in life, you forget to live. This mind need to be controlled by slowly tuning your mind and using the help of the Almighty God, who can train your mind by constantly helping you with positive energies. Take care, share my videos, have a good day.